If you would like to use the QR code Hall Pass for Thurston, you need to start by clicking on the Home button up in the top left corner of your browser. And when you click on that Home button, it will take you to a page with a bunch of useful tiles. And of course, for now, we're focused on the Hall Pass tile. So I'm going to click on Hall Pass. That will take me to the QR Stuff page. And you can see QR Stuff is trying to open the camera so that you can look at the QR code. But in this case, the camera could not be opened. So what I want to do to fix that is come up to the top left corner of the browser again and click on that lock icon. This is something you'll only have to do the first time you use QR Stuff. But once you click on the lock, you can click on Site Settings, and that will take me to the settings page for QR Stuff. And you can see at the very top here, it will say qrstuff.com. I'm going to go down to Camera, and instead of Ask, I want to just allow the camera on this page. Now I can close the settings page. I have to refresh the QR Stuff page. Then when it looks for the camera, it should find me pretty quickly. There I am. All right, so the camera works now, and you can tell that by looking up in the top right. There's my camera icon. If you ever see that camera icon and there's a red line or a red dot next to it, you can always click on it here and then change the settings right here. But when we first start, often that button is not there. All right, so now you can go ahead and scan your code and use your Hall Pass. Good luck.